Here, and I want to take a quick moment and talk to you guys all about this tower fan that I have. So you can see it is pretty large. You get it, and all you gotta do is just put the base together. Super easy. You just kind of like snap it together and then put like screw that red piece on there to make it really nice. It just plugs in the back. You can see the back here, just kind of the whole fan that it has. But this is the main part that I want to show you guys. So it does have an LCD screen up here that I'll show you, but one thing with this is you guys are gonna see how intense this fan is. This is gonna be absolutely great on those really hot days because it is going to put out a lot of air. You can also have it put out less air, but I really like the fact that it's gonna be able to be so intense. So one thing that you get with it is a remote, so it makes it really nice that you're gonna be able to have a remote here to be able to use. So I'm just gonna go through a little bit of the things that are on here. All right, so you have your LCD screen right here and to be able to use the remote. So we're just gonna be able to power it on. And so I'm going to kind of zoom in on here so you guys can see all the different things, but just so you guys can see the remote here. So you're going to have the plus and the minus because you're going to be able to have 12 different settings. You have your mode, and I'll kind of walk you through those. You also have for the noise, so you can hear. So I like that. So again, I'm going to be able to, you can hear it, but let's say if you're using it and you don't want the noise, especially at nighttime, you're going to be able to hit that. And then now listen. You don't hear it at all. And then you also have for the oscillation and the timer as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through. So again, you can see the power button. Now you're gonna be able to see the power up. So it's gonna be able to go all the way up to 12. I mean, look, like it is blowing my hair. This fan is going to cool you off on that number 12 setting right away. It feels amazing. And then also again, you have the oscillation. So you're gonna be able to hit the oscillation one. And now you can see it is going to rotate for you. So it's going to be great. So that way it's going to be even better for larger areas. And you can see how far over it is going. Right, so besides for the oscillation, now I want to go ahead, and you guys saw all the way up from the 12. Now I want to show you guys the mode button, which is this one right here. And so it's going to go from a normal to a natural to a sleep and then also to an auto mode. So you're going to be able to have those different ones. And the other thing I want to show you guys is going to be the timer button. So it's going to make it really nice all the way up for 12 hours. Okay, so you have 0 hours, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, and 12. So you're going to be able to set the timer for 12 hours. The other thing I'm going to show you guys is if you were not using the remote, you are able to use everything right from here. So again, you have your oscillation, you have your timer, you have your plus and your minus for where you can go all the way from 0 to 12. And then also you have your mode button, which makes it really nice. Just in case, if by chance you were to lose the remote or to not have it handy, you are able to operate it all from the top of the fan. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back on the oscillation, but just wanted to be able to take a moment and just to show you guys about this fan because this tower fan exceeded my expectations, especially with having the remote and all the different things you're gonna be able to use. Definitely recommend and going out and getting this tower fan. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys found this helpful.